Hello everyone. So I use sxiv for viewing my images, and it is great because when you are in a terminal in a specific directory, let us say my home directory or whatever directory, I can just run sxiv and it will display all the images, right? And when you press enter or when you basically press enter, it will open the image and you can do something about it. You can also do some key bindings, and it is all great for images. But the problem is that there is no such program for videos. Now for videos, MPV is really good. It is fast, it is simple, it works really well, but MPV is not really able to create those thumbnails. I mean, maybe there is a way, I'm not really sure, but basically I'm looking for sxiv for videos. That is my requirement, and I was doing some research online, and I found like couple of scripts to validate my idea. And basically my idea was to simply do two things. So imagine there is a script. It will be a shell script, of course, which will make executable and make it available in the path. Now the shell script will do two things. Number one, whenever you run the script in a folder, in a directory, then it will first generate the thumbnails of all the videos in that directory, let us say all the mp4 files, and it will then store those thumbnails maybe somewhere, maybe in the same directory, maybe in a temp directory, maybe in a cache. And then whenever you are done with the thumbnail generation, and by the way, this thumbnail generation will happen, of course, using ffmpeg, because ffmpeg can extract the images. Now I think I've done that, but of course it should work. And then after that happens, run sxiv to display those thumbnails, and then of course use sxiv key handler to play the videos using, of course, MPV. So this is something that in theory is the most simple and practical approach. I was hoping to find one image viewer or video viewer, but I couldn't, and I thought, wait a minute, you don't really have to do it. If we are on Linux, we can just combine a couple of things together. So what I will do is I will, of course, so of course this shell script will not be like a massive script. I don't really think it will be more than, like, I don't know, 20 lines, maybe less. 20 is probably more, but few lines, I guess. But it won't really take me like a lot of time to write it. But I was just curious to know if you are aware of any video editor, or more than that, I'm sure there are a lot of not video editor, but video viewers. But more than that, I wanted to know how you manage your videos, because the problem is that if you have a lot of videos and images, then you need I mean, with images, you need to look at the image then to do something about it, right? And although I do a lot of things to organize my images and videos, like I normally like create a timestamp folder, which I do using a script. So whenever I have like a lot of videos or images, media, I just run a script to create a folder with a date, like you know, the date on which the photo was taken, and then I move them somewhere. So this is what I do, and I have been doing it for many years. It works really well for me because I feel in control of my images, and usually I rename my folders. Of course, there is a timestamp YYY-mm-dd, then underscore something about that particular day, so that I can search for it later on. But for videos, it is a problem because you can't really view the videos, or you need like an easy way, like a terminal based approach without using any GUI based file manager. Alright, that is it. I thought I'll probably make this video to share this idea. It is, of course, nothing complicated, but more importantly, if you can tell me how you do it, I would appreciate. Alright, that is it for today. Bye bye.